Hey guys, how you doing today? It's Jordan back today with another video. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at Tezos again and see what's kind of happening in the shorter time frame and how it kind of looks exactly like Chainlink did in its past little cycle. If that sounds good to you, make sure you smack that subscribe button down below. Let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to the short-term time frame chart of Tezos, you can see that we're kind of hitting this kind of resistance line here that has been playing out ever since all the way back in 2018, guys. This was a huge actually support line here, and it was our resistance line here, and now we're actually broke through it and actually came down and actually tested it perfectly as support. As you can see, this held us down all the way throughout 2020. We ended up breaking down up above it, and we have came down to actually test it as support. As I say in all my videos, guys, this is huge. We came above it, and we came back down and tested the old resistance as new support, which we should see higher price action because of this. This is huge, guys. The second thing I kind of want to take a look at for Tezos today is how the current price action of Tezos is playing exactly like Chainlink has in this last little cycle, guys. Now, Chainlink is a little bit ahead of Tezos just because it's been a little more bullish over the last few years. But if we take a look at this old Chainlink fractal right here, guys, this is Chainlink. This is the little Bud Light crash, so to give you a little time frame. This is the Bud Light crash for Tezos. We layer this right over this. You can see how similar it actually is, guys. We had the build up, we had the huge dump off, another build up, a little crash here, and then a absolute lift off. Same thing here. We had a huge build up, crash, another build up, another short crash, and now we're continuing up. Now, once we break this old local high here, we could be off to the races. Same as Chainlink, guys. Once Chainlink broke this little local high here, it was absolutely off to the races, and I'm seeing the exact same thing playing out for Tezos in the short-term time frame. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about this little fractal that I kind of noticed between these two altcoins. They're very, very similar. A lot of the altcoins play very similarly. Now, what we have to keep in mind for Tezos is what will Bitcoin do in these next couple of days to weeks? Because we all know that altcoins, besides Chainlink has a mind of its own, as we see. What will Bitcoin do, especially in the next couple of days? Will the symmetrical triangle that has been absolutely boring the crap out of us pump up, or will it pump down? We have to see what Bitcoin does, and that's what we ultimately will tell us what Tezos is going to be doing in the next few days to weeks, guys. So this is just a little fractal that I wanted to take a look at for Tezos and also Chainlink. And the third chart I want to flip over to is this Tezos chart. So you can see in the last Tezos bull run and a little consolidation before it is playing exactly like we kind of did now. So it's another kind of fractal I want to look out for. This is like inter Tezos. This is the previous price action of Tezos versus the current price action of Tezos. As you can see, we had a buildup, and then we had a huge crash with a rounded bottom, a little V bottom action. Actually, we pumped up, we consolidated in here for a few weeks, right below the old support or local high, right below the old local high, which is this yellow box here, this consolidation. And then we broke up above this local high, and we actually absolutely took off as far as Tezos standards goes, guys. Same thing is kind of happening here. We had this build up, and we had the huge crash that we're not going to name the name of because we don't speak of that, correct, guys? And we had this V bottom, as noted here. And then we had this consolidation, which has plagued us for a few months now, a little longer than the last time, but this is kind of a longer time frame pattern that's playing out overall. As you can see, this one is a lot bigger than this one back here, but I think it will ultimately lead to the same price action. Now, we could bounce around here a little bit sideways, a little bit longer, depending on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin breaks up, we're going to see this break up, pretty similar to this in my opinion. And if Bitcoin breaks down, we might actually come back down to test this old local high here at around the 1.8 dollar level. So we have to keep in mind what Bitcoin does, but I see this kind of same thing playing out. This is where we are here. We're kind of breaking out of this rectangle. Hopefully we can come up and test the top of this local high, which will propel us to actually come up to this next resistance line at about $6. So this could be a huge trade. There's not much price action holding us down in between these two levels. So this could be absolutely huge for Tezos. Now, if you guys enjoyed today's quick update with Tezos, smack that subscribe button down below. I come out with daily crypto videos. I took the last couple of days off, did a few things outside, which I like to do. You don't stare at the charts all day. Not healthy for you. Enjoy life a little bit outside while you have the chance. I know there's a lot going on around the world right now, but you have to enjoy life while you can. So don't stare at the charts all day. It's not going to change the prices. All right? If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you smack that subscribe button down below. Click that like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.